In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tell if someone has read your Instagram message. The quickest way to confirm if your message has been opened is to look for the word seen right below the message you sent in the chat. When the recipient opens your conversation and views your message, Instagram places that seen label under your last sent message, usually near the timestamp. This applies whether you're using the Instagram app on your phone or the web version in a browser. If you see seen, it means the recipient has opened the chat and viewed what you sent. In group chats, Instagram gives you a little more detail. Instead of just seen, you'll see the names of the people who have read your message listed next to it. As different members open the conversation, their names will appear so you can tell who's caught up and who hasn't looked yet. You might notice that the seen label can disappear once the other person replies. That's normal. A reply is a clear confirmation they viewed the message, and Instagram sometimes removes the previous seen tag to keep the chat tidy. There's another important factor to understand. Read receipts can be turned off. Instagram now lets users disable read receipts for all chats or only specific conversations. If you want to manage this, go to Settings, then Messages and Story Replies, and find Show Read Receipts. When read receipts are turned off, you won't see if someone has read your messages and they won't see if you've read theirs. So if you don't see seen, it might be because they have read receipts disabled or you do. Some people try to avoid sending a read receipt by reading messages from notifications or by turning on airplane mode before opening the app. These workarounds are not official and can be unreliable. They might prevent a read receipt temporarily, but once the app reconnects, the receipt may still go through. It's best to treat these methods as limited and not guaranteed. To recap, the most reliable way to know if your message was read is to check for the seen label under your last message, especially in one-on-one chats, or the list of names in group conversations. Just remember, this only works when read receipts are enabled. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.